I raise my eyebrows to express my surprise. I wriggle up my nose. I put out my tongue. I smile. All my muscles are at work. Yes, tongue is also made up of a set of muscles that helps us to speak and to chew food. These muscles of our body are multi-talented. Are you surprised? Many of them work on their own. Many work at our instructions. These muscles form a part of the muscular tissue and are developed from the mesodermal layer of the embryo. What are muscles made up of? How many muscles do we have? We have 650 muscles in our body. You have heard of a highly muscular person, heavyweight champion? Yes, muscles make up more than 50% of our body weight. They are made up of long cells. No wonder we call them as muscle fibers. Each muscle fiber is surrounded by connective tissue called as the endomysium. A number of muscle fibers are further bound by a connective tissue envelope called as perimysium, and the entire muscle is enveloped by connective tissue which is called as epimysium. Muscles can be classified into three: involuntary muscles or unstriated muscles, voluntary muscles also called skeletal muscles or striated muscles, and cardiac muscles. Let's discuss each one of them. The involuntary muscles. I'm sure you can guess where they are found. Yes, in those organs which do not work for instructions, or it is found in those organs which do not wait for our instructions, like the movement of the alimentary canal. That's the best example. What is the nature of the muscles here? They are elongated, tapering at the ends, uninucleate. The nucleus is surrounded by the cytoplasm which is found in the cell. The region surrounding the nucleus is called the sarcoplasm. They are very small, 1 by 20 mm in length and 1 by 60 mm in breadth. They are not attached to the bones. They are under the control of the autonomic nervous system. Find out other areas in your body which have these involuntary muscles. We move on to the voluntary muscles, which are also called skeletal muscles, which means they are attached to the bones. They are going to definitely help in locomotion. How are they different from the involuntary ones? Well, first, where are they found? They are found in our limbs. It could be our forearms. It could be our hind limbs, who work at our will. Do they get tired? Yes, extremely tired. If we work continuously, they are multinucleate. In contrast to the involuntary muscle cells, which are uninucleate, they have alternating dark and light bands. No wonder they are called as striated muscles. We move on to a special type of muscle only found in our heart, the hearty muscle, the cardiac muscle, which beats continuously from the time we are born till we die. Amazing, isn't it? Which means they never tire. They show both the characteristics of the voluntary and the involuntary muscles. They are branched. There's a network. And you would find intercalated discs as the junctions between the branches. Pick up any book. Read more on the different type of muscles.